Module 8 Profile in GD&T. Next in this series. Profile is a surface control. It is a powerful and versatile tolerancing tool. It may be used to control just the size and shape of feature or size, shape, orientation, and location of an irregular shaped feature. Profile controls are of two types. First is profile of a surface and second is profile of a line. Datums may or may not be used for profile control. After completing this chapter, you will be able to specify profile tolerance, explain the application of profile tolerance zone, apply composite profile tolerancing. How to define profile? A profile is the outline of an object. Specifically, the profile of a line is the outline of an object in a plane as the plane passes through the shape. The profile of a surface is result of projecting the profile of an object on a plane or taking cross sections through the object at various intervals. Specifying profile. A profile view or section view of a part is dimensioned with basic dimensions. A true profile may be dimensioned with basic size dimensions, basic coordinate dimensions, basic radii, basic angular dimensions, formulas, or undimensioned drawings. The feature control frame is always directed to the profile surface with a leader. Profile is a surface control. The association of a profile tolerance with extension or a dimension line is inappropriate. The profile feature control frame contains the profile of a line or of a surface symbol and a tolerance. Since profile controls are surface controls, cylindrical tolerance zones and material conditions do not apply in the tolerance section of profile feature control frames. The shape of the tolerance zone is the shape of the profile, not a cylinder, and material condition modifiers do not apply to surface controls. There are three ways of specify profile. First one is called all around. The all around symbol is indicated by a circle around the joint in the leader from the feature control frame to the profile. This symbol indicates that profile control is all around the surface as shown here by red line. Second one is called between, which means profile between two specified points. The between symbol is placed beneath the feature control frame. The profile tolerance applies to the portion of the profile between points X and Z where the leader is pointing. It's shown by red line in this picture. Third one is called all over. If a part such as casting or forging is to be controlled with a profile tolerance over its entire surface, the note all over is placed beneath the feature control frame as shown here. When all over profile tolerance is applied, it extends everywhere, even to the whole profile. Please be careful. All over literally means all over, so it covers all the surfaces. So use this with caution. Inspection. Inspecting a surface that has been controlled with a profile tolerance can be accomplished in a number of ways. The most common methods of inspecting a profile are listed below. A gauge made to the extreme size and shape of the profile can be used. A thickness gauge can be used to measure variations between a template made to the true size and shape of the profile and the actual surface. An open setup with a dial indicator can be used to inspect some profiles. CMMs or optical comparators can also be used to inspect profile. With this, we have finished the Module 8 on Profile GD&T. If you have any questions, you can find us on social media. Thanks for tuning in and have a great day.